Hi, I'm Ron Berman, Vice President of Product Development and Engineering for Boston Whaler. In this segment, we're going to show you what happens once we have a design direction established and we take it into engineering and ultimately prototype it in the creation of a brand new Boston Whaler. Once we have approved design, our team of engineers and naval architects take this information and create a detailed 3D CAD model that includes nearly every detail of the boat. This includes all exterior surfaces, the hull, electrical systems, mechanical systems, interior components, and the all-important fishing features. Before we build the final tooling, we perform several evaluations with powerful computer design tools to evaluate buoyancy characteristics, performance, and structural characteristics via a tool called finite element analysis. Another important part of engineering is component selection. During this portion, we choose the components that perform well in the harsh marine environment. To ensure reliability, we put most new components through controlled tests in our own lab or at one of Brunswick's other testing facilities. Once we're confident in our engineering design, we are ready to build tooling and validate the design. This begins by sending our computer information to a computer-controlled 5-axis milling machine to cut the masters or models out of giant blocks of foam. These masters are then brought into our pattern shop where our team of craftsmen carefully sand the surfaces to create an exact replica of the finished part. Once this portion is completed, it's time to build the molds. This begins by laminating the molds similar to a boat with special resins and gel coats, and then backing them up with very strong steel bracing to create very durable molds. Once the mold is built and braced, it is parted from the master and the surface is brought to a Class A finish and it's ready to build parts out of. Once the tooling is complete, it is time to build the development validation prototype. This will be the first boat that we build out of the tooling to validate the build of the boat as well as the durability and reliability. Our team of experienced prototype technicians will assemble the first boat in our PD&E shop to validate the build and components for the new model. Once the DV prototype is completed, it's time to begin testing. We put each new model through a battery test that includes some of the following examples: compliance testing to ensure the boat meets all regulatory and industry standards, performance testing to determine the optimal engine mounting height and propeller specs for light and heavy load conditions. Every new model goes through an inspection from our quality assurance team to make sure the boat meets Boston Whaler's high quality standards. Once this is complete, it's time to begin our endurance test program. Using the Atlantic Ocean as our test bed, we put each new model through a 100 to 150 hour endurance run to ensure the boat will hold up to hard use our customers may put the boats through. Finally, we review the results of the testing, make refinements, and prepare for the production launch of the new model. In conclusion, our detailed product development process helps us build upon our heritage of safety, quality, durability as the unsinkable legend.